Guys, welcome to the web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 7. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites in an easy way. Now let's start. The topic which we are going to study today is about anchor tag. What is anchor tag? How we can put enter tag on the text and how we can put anchor tag on the image. These are the two things that we are going to discuss today. Now, what is the anchor tag? Anchor tag is used in the website to linking the pages. Anchor tag is used for linking the pages in the website. Let me give you one example. You can see this is the website and this is the menu, right? I have told you in the last lectures that how you can make the menu. If you do not understand this thing, you can see my last videos, and even then if you will not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer. Right, you can see these are the buttons or tabs. If I will click on this page, I will move to another page, and if I will click here, I will come back to my home page. Right, how it is doing in the website, it is because of the anchor tag. Right, now let me tell you that how we can implement the anchor tag here. First of all, what I will do, I will write here link tag and save my file. I have told you that whenever you are going to save your HTML file, you have to write here the HTML extension, which is very important, right? As right here, save. Now what I will do is I will link this my file to this file table.html. This was our last lecture, right? Lecture number 6. What I want that when I will click on this link tag text, I should move on this file. How I will do this? Let me tell you. First of all, I will write here anchor tag. Immediately the closing anchor tag, right? Now, the important thing. You can see link tag text is here, right? Now, what I want to show you, when I will write here, this is hyperreference. This is called hyperreference. Hyperreference. Why we use this? Why use this here? For writing here the path. Now I'm on the link.html and I want to go on table.html, so I will write here table.html. If this file table.html is in the images folder, then I will write here images/table.html, but my file is on the desktop, so that's why I write here table.html. So the important thing is here, we have to write the correct path. If we are not going to write the correct path here, we are not going to move on the proper file. Right, I write here table.html. I will save my file and refresh my browser. This you can see the link is there, right? The line is here. This is for the link tag, and when my mouse cursor becomes like in the form of this and shape, you can see that the link is there, right? When I will click on this, I move to an other file, table.html. As I write the table.html, so I move to this file, right? You can see I click here, I move to this file, I click here and I move to this file. Now this is very wrong approach that I'm pressing this back arrow key. What I want is it should be some back button or backlink. Then when I will click on the backlink, it will go to link.html like this. Now how we can do this? I will open this file in the notepad. This was our lecture 6, last lecture. I will write here back, right? I will show you the output. You can see back is here, but this is not clickable. How it will be clickable? I will write here the anchor tag like this, closing anchor tag. Right, now I'm on the table.html and I want to go on link.html. So I will write here hyperreference link.html. I will save my file, refresh my browser. You can see the back button is here, which is clickable. You can see the hand sign is there. When I will click on this, I'm on link.html, and when I click on this text, I'm on table.html, right? You can see. So the link is working. So in this way, in your website, you can make your menus or anything, any link from where you can move your pages, right? Like you can move from one page to another. Now I want to tell you that how you can make images clickable. You have seen that on the Google, when you click on any image, you can see the image is greater, image is bigger for you, right? Whenever you click on this, the image is bigger for you. How it is doing? Now here I will show you one image first. This is the image tag. I have told you that how you can show your image in your website. If you do not understand this thing, you can view my videos, last videos. So I have images in this folder, images folder. These are the two images. This is the image which I will show you there, abc.jpg. I have told you that you can also set the width. I will write here the width 200, and I can also write here the height. I will put the height also 200 like this. I will close my tag, image tag. Now I will save my file, refresh my browser. This is 300%. Now it is 100%, you can see. So this is my image and this is my tag. When I will click here, I'm on the next page and I'm on now link.html. Now what I want is, I want this, when I will click on this image, it should be bigger, like Google is showing you the bigger images. How it is possible? This is my file. What I will do here, I will write anchor tag on the closing anchor tag here, right? And I will write here the path, original path of the file, where the file is here saved, like this. I will copy this path and write this path here like this. Hope you understand this thing. You can see now I have write image here first of all, then I will make clickable images, then I write here the path. I will save my file, refresh my browser. Now you can see the image is clickable. When I will click on this, you can see the image is in bigger form, or you can say this is the original form of the picture, right? So in this way you can do this. Now guys, I have told you that how you can make the link backlink, and how you can make clickable images, right? So this is all for the day. You have to practice this thing at your home, and we will meet in the next lecture. So if you have any question or queries in this video, or anything you do not understand here, you can question me in the comment section. I will answer for your questions. And once again, if you like my videos, please thumbs up my video, and subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone. Thank you so much.